Annoyed by constant ringing or buzzing in your ears? Discover Quietum Plus, the natural supplement that may support better ear wellness. Tinnitus affects millions and disrupts sleep, focus, and quality of life. Most conventional solutions only mask symptoms, they do not offer long-term support. Quietum Plus combines plant-based nutrients like hops extract, yam root, dong quai, kelp, and L-Tyrosine to support inner ear circulation, nerve health, and inflammation balance, designed for daily use and gradual improvement. While many users report noticeable relief after consistent use over a few weeks, online reviews are mixed. Some report positive results, others saw a minimal effect or had refund issues. Independent review groups even highlight limited clinical evidence and potential ingredient risks like liver or thyroid effects. Formulated in an FDA-registered GMP facility. 60-day money-back guarantee. Risk-free to try for ear health support if used responsibly. Curious whether Quietum Plus could help you? Click the link in the description to learn more, check ingredients, and access the 60-day guarantee.